with some of the most important topics for your upcoming prelims 2026. Now, the first one is Gaganyaan 1 mission. The test trials for Gaganyaan 1 mission would carry Vyomitra. Now, what is Vyomitra? Vyomitra is a humanoid robot, and it is believed that the first flight would be a test uncrewed flight with the humanoid robot. So, very, very important topic. Next important it is Axiom 4, highly likely for your upcoming examination. Now, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla was one of the major astronauts selected to fly for International Space Station. Now, this project was in collaboration with NASA and Axiom Space. The next important topic is NISAR. Now, NISAR is a collaboration of NASA and ISRO for synthetic aperture radar, and therefore the name NISAR, that stands for NASA, N for NASA, I for ISRO, and synthetic aperture radar. And this flight actually was considered as the world's most expensive Earth imaging satellite. This was known for dual frequency radar, which had L band and S band, and therefore the major idea of this was to monitor climate change. The next is giving boost to private sector. Now, in space is one such organization that would be coming up for private investments in the field of defense. The next important topic is SpaceDex. SpaceDex is the space docking experiment. Now, this is an autonomous experiment for docking of two satellites. Now, this is a precursor to what we believe is the Bharatiya Antariksha Station, the BAS, which is the India's space station, which would be launched for future. Another important topic is Shukrayaan. Shukrayaan, the Shukra, as the name suggests, it's for Venus, and it would be a Venus orbiter mission, which is targeted for 2028. However, the pre-project studies have been done in 2025. So those are some of the major topics. Now, besides this, we have already covered the major satellite launches, the LVM-3, the CMS-3, which are important, S. Somnath, the ISRO chairman. So those are some of the important topics that you must remember for your upcoming prelims. Of course, we'll be covering more interesting topics for you. Stay tuned for more updates. Have a great day.